Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. These are going to be looks 3 and look 4 using the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I am wearing face products for once today. I'm wearing the IT Cosmetics CC Plus in Fair mixed or light mixed with Maybelline 102 from their Super Stay collection, and I will leave everything on my face linked down below. But I'm trying to edit these and get them, recorded and edited and done quickly so that you guys don't have to sit through a 20-minute long tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy. So we are starting off this first look on my right eye using the shade Mint Tea. This is actually a really pretty pastel, like minty blue shade, and I was surprised that it showed up on my skin as well as it did, but I am pretty fair. And I'm using the BH Cosmetics number 16 brush. Now I'm going in with the shade Flourishing on the outer edge, and I'm tapping it on with a BH Cosmetics flat shader brush. I will also leave the brush kits linked down below because I've had people ask me what brushes I use, and I bought two kits from them, one that was the black handle that you see here and one that was the gold handle. And then that's another BH brush that I bought like about a year ago, but I don't think they sell that exact kit anymore. On top of that, in the inner half of my lid, I'm going to go in with Entitled. So you figure the crease was Mint Tea, the outer half, I guess you could say, is Flourishing, and Entitled went on the inner half. And I mirrored whatever I did on the lid on the under eye as well. And then I'm going to take Cullinan and I'm going to put that on my brow bone with a tiny, that's an Avon Mark brush. And then I'm going to do my inner corner as well. And pop a smidge on where I combine the two colors. And here I am back with mascara and liner. I am wearing the Milani Eye Tech Extreme on my top lash line. And then I am wearing a silver eyeliner in my waterline called Diamond from my line, and then I tightlined the top lash line with Ninja, and I am currently 100% out of Ninja, but I think I have 2 Diamond left in stock. And that is look number 3 for the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. Now, because when I recorded this, it was like 5:30, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, by the time I got done recording both eyes and got outside, there was like just a little bit of a peak of sun climbing up onto the roof, so I was not able to get good photos outside in natural lighting. This was the third makeup look that I had done today, or did that day. And we're getting into look 4. I am taking Blue Blood on an e.l.f. blending crease brush, and I am working that into my crease and outer V, and then dragging that underneath my eye. It's a really pretty, like, I don't know, like a robin's egg blue kind of shade. It's blue, but it kind of goes on a little bit with like a green hue to it. It looks just like a light blue in the pan, like a sky blue. And now I'm taking Blue Monday to deepen up the crease. And I'm actually going to be doing a halo eye, so you'll see me carry this in on the inner corner and outer corner, and I don't know what's going on with the camera. At some points it wanted to focus on me, at other points it wanted to focus on the wood grain on the door, so it is what it is. I didn't realize that it was doing that because I wasn't looking at the viewfinder, so I wasn't paying attention to what the camera was doing. I just would look up every now and again to make sure the sucker was still on. I'm taking a Vera Mona shader brush to pack the shadow on and make sure that it's more blended. And I was surprised. This shade looks blue in the pan, but like Annette from her channel, it looks kind of purple on the eye. Now I'm taking the NYX Studio Skin Concealer and I'm tapping that on the center of my eyelid with a very tiny synthetic brush. And because I am 38, my eyelids do not always cooperate, so I had some issues trying to get it completely smooth. I then go in with Ice Tray over that wet concealer, and I'm tapping it on with another shader, a flat synthetic shader brush, and then just deepening up the inner and outer corner with Blue Monday and making sure that everything is packed over each other perfectly the way that I wanted it to. And then just blending that line a little bit. It's kind of neat. It looks like a blue look when you look at it here, and then if you look at it in like the pictures or in person, it looked kind of like a blue and purple look instead. My dad, he's like, I like the purple eye better. I was like, Dad, that's blue. So that was kind of funny. Now I'm taking Cullinan on my brow bone, a smidge in my inner corner, and then I tap a little in the center of where I did the halo eye so that you can see, I don't know, I like the effect that it gave. It really did kind of give a little bit more of a pop to the halo eye. And there you can see it a little bit closer up. I'm also wearing the Milani Eye Tech Extreme on this eye, Ninja on the upper waterline, and then Diamond in my bottom waterline. And here are the final pictures. Hopefully you guys like these looks. I know for look 1 and 2, I just edited them separately, so they're very short videos. They're like 5 minutes or under, and they do include pictures. This one I decided to combine both looks and, you know, make it just a little bit longer. I'm speeding up most of it anyways to cut down like on the blending time or when I drop brushes and things like that, so you guys don't have to sit through that. If you like this new way that I'm editing, please let me know in the comment section down below. And hopefully you guys like this look. Let me know which one you like better, the more bluish purple side or the more turquoise side. I am wearing Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin on my lips, and like I said, I will leave everything linked down below in the description box that is on my face, as well as the brushes. Hopefully you guys have a great day or night wherever you are, and I will see you later.